Hello everyone, Daniel here with the Peasants YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today, I appreciate you. Within this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I go about setting up my Invoxia GPS tracker for my 8,000 watt stealth bomber e-bike. If you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you. Drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. I've also done a full unboxing on this Invoxia GPS tracker. The video is available on my YouTube channel. Where I'm going to begin is after I unbox it, I'm going to plug in the GPS and I'm going to charge it all the way up. The tracker does include this little charging cable right here. Once your GPS is fully charged, you're going to want to download the Invoxia GPS app. At this point, we've charged the GPS, we've downloaded the GPS app, now we're ready for setup. The GPS is now charged and on. As you see, this is the first screen that I'm going to use to begin the setup process. I will freeze this screen so you can read what the screen is saying on your end at your pace. From here, I'm going to select choose now, and then you can select whatever preference is more appropriate for you. We have allow once, allow while using app, and then we have don't allow. For me, I'm going to select allow while using app. I do feel that this preference is a better fit for my needs. The next screen that comes up is another preference screen. How would you like to receive notifications? All this is going to be personal preference type of thing. Preference screens, again, are going to be to each their own. So kind of set it up to your liking, set it up to how you want your preferences to function. Where we are right now is we've charged the Invoxia GPS tracker all the way up, we've downloaded the app, and we're now ready to go ahead and begin pairing it with our phone. Once your tracker is plugged in and picked up, you're going to start seeing these screens right here. This is the beginning of the linking setup from your phone to your tracker. I hit start setup, and as you see, it's kind of scanning for the region my GPS tracker is in. From here, I'm just going to start filling out the information within the Invoxia app in correspondence to the gear that I'm going to be using. So for example, I'm going to be using an electric bike. I can select other than type in the make, model, type of bike that I am riding. You can do that on your end. For this demonstration, I'm going to select motorbike. You see right here on this screen who will use this vehicle. I'm going to select only me. This next part's telling me if I want to activate alerts, which I am going to do so. At this point, we are now registering our GPS tracker with the app. As you see, we did get an email right there letting us know that our account has been created. Everything is registered. As you see at the bottom right there, an update is in progress. One thing that I would like to throw in there as well is I would recommend to be patient with this process. For some over others, we may take longer in some areas of setting up than others, which is completely fine. For example, this updating in progress right now is taking quite a bit, but again, I would just recommend to be patient with it. Let it do its thing. Don't let your phone go to sleep. Don't multitask or anything like that. I would just recommend allowing the GPS tracker and the app to do their thing. So the Invoxia tracker itself is now up to date, and we're going to be hitting a setup screen right here. And from here, again, we're just going to kind of want to fill out all the information in correspondence to whatever it is we are writing. On this first screen right here, we can insert a photo, name, type, and license plate. Again, fill out the information in correspondence to the setup that you were using on your end. For me personally, I like to call my 8,000 watt stealth bomber Phantom, and I'm going to put that there in the name section. The type is going to be electric bike. I don't have a license plate on there, so I'm just going to leave that blank. From here, I'll hit next and head on over to the next page. Right here, it's going to tell me to add my license plate. I'm going to hit the not now or skip button right here. And on this page, it's now showing me where my tracker is at. Allow me to go into the settings to show you here. I'm not going to show you the pages or what the GPS looks like. I may be able to show you a screenshot, but I don't want to show you this actual live feeder here as it is a live location. So with that being said, these are the settings from within your account after everything has been set up. As you see here, you can go and you can set different settings here, such as movement detection and things of this nature. Allow me to share with you some more of the settings here. On the top, as you see, the Invoxia GPS has a battery meter right there, proximity radar put on standby, update rate, significant journey, movement detected, smart alert mode, zone alerts, and important places. I'm going to actually bring up some information from the actual Invoxia website here with you all, so that way you can get a good idea as to what the settings are, what the Invoxia GPS tracker is capable of. So by the end of this video, you will not only know how to set it up, but you will be acquainted with the GPS itself as well. From here, what I would like to do is take a moment and go through the INVOXIA literature with you all. So for those who are curious and want to read more on some specifics about this specific tracker, we're going to get into that now. I'm not going to do talking through this part right here, as you can kind of pause and read at your own pace on your end. However, if you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will be making a video on how I go about creating zones with this tracker. So for those who are wanting to know more information on that, I will make a video on how I go about doing so. Be sure to stick around for that. So to conclude the video, that is how we go about setting up the Invoxia GPS tracker. I will make another video showing you where I installed it and how I installed it on my 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber e-bike. If you have any questions about anything that you saw or heard throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you, drop a comment down below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.